being the world's oldest original model village. It has become both a popular tourist location and a part of English culture. It was opened first to the public in 1929 and was created by Roland Collingham, a local accountant. Inspired by the model railway in his own garden, he expanded it to create a small scale world that captures the essence of English village life in the 1930s. Everything was constructed at a scale of 1 inch to 1 foot. It was created as a private miniature park in the 1920s and was opened to the general public in 1929. And 3 years later, it had become a popular tourist attraction. In 1934, Baconscott was visited by the young Elizabeth II on her 8th birthday. The future Queen of England returned several times in later years, along with Princess Margaret, Queen Mary, and the King. It's a great place to bring the family and stomp around like giants. There are 6 model towns, a huge Gauge 1 model garden railway, ride-on railway, remote-controlled boats, castles, lakes, and industries in 1.5 acres of award-winning gardens. It's a great family day out, and it's your chance to be a giant in a miniature land of adventure hidden away in a 1930s time wrap. It's like having a big day out full of really nice small things. This model English village is complete with houses, shops, churches, farms, and even a miniature railway. The attention to detail in the models is remarkable, right down to the tiny gardens and residents enjoying various activities. I recommend you to have at least 2 hours of your time to explore it. It's not just about admiring miniature buildings, but also about interactions. Here, visitors can operate some of the trains and features themselves, adding an element of playfulness to the experience. It is both entertaining and educational, making it a great place for families to have great time and create nice memories as well. One of the many attractions here is a delightful miniature railway that runs through the model village. Visitors can enjoy a ride on the trains, passing by the tiny scenes of rural life, bridges, and tunnels. The beautifully landscaped gardens surrounding the model village add to its charm. Visitors can take a leisure walks through the well-maintained greenery while enjoying the miniature world around them. Throughout the year, Baconscott hosts special events including illuminated evenings and themed days, which offer visitors a different perspective on the model village. The model village has strong community ties and has been maintained and expanded over the years with the help of local volunteers and enthusiasts. Baconscott is the oldest participant in the International Association of Miniature Parks. By 2020, Baconscott had received over 14 million visitors and had become part of English culture. The village frequently appears on lists of recommended family days out. Baconscott, with its enchanting miniature village and meticulously crafted landscapes, is an ideal destination for families with children. The kid-friendly atmosphere of this model village sparks curiosity and wonder in young minds as they explore intricately detailed scenes and charming replicas. The scaled-down buildings, tiny railways, delightful gardens create an immersive experience, allowing children to feel like giants in a captivating world. Interactive elements and the opportunity to operate miniature trains add an extra layer of excitement, making it a delightful and educational outing for families where young imaginations can flourish. Baconscott Model Village and Railway is a delightful destination that provides a glimpse into a bygone era and captures the nostalgia of rural England in the 1930s. It offers a unique blend of history, artistry, and the skyline gradually appears on the horizon, signaling your return to the bustling city. Navigating through the diverse neighborhoods, you will witness the city's dynamic energy before reaching your final destination in the heart of city. As our journey comes to an end, it's not just the miles traveled, but the moments experienced that makes the adventure truly unforgettable. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.